Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuhu. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, omnipotent, omnipresent, what and what not, and the Lord of the worlds. Today is 9th September 2020. Dear learners, this is Sadia Kuyum once again, your English teacher in Government High School Hanga. We have resolved the grammar portion of said topic. Currently, we are discussing. Today, we are going to discuss the last question of chapter 6th, that is, let us write. Let us move to our last question, part A. Do you have a dream or something you very much wish to do? Write a paragraph saying what you want or wish to do. Then say in another paragraph how you think you can make your dream come true. Paragraph: I wish to be a good doctor because a doctor is considered to be the god. She is a person who treats everyone equally. A doctor saves the life of the patients by his service. She is respected everywhere in society and is an inspiration for the children. It is very noble profession where one can earn money as well as respect. I think I can make my dream come true when I work hard by studying strategically. I need to have the courage, ability, and perseverance. After that, I can achieve the unachievable. Part B is given below are some words that are spelled differently in British and American English. Fill in the blanks accordingly. Here are 10 different words spelled differently in British and American English. I will tell you the words one by one. First is color. In British English, the spelling of color is COLOUR. In American English, the spelling of color is COLOR. Second is labor. In British English, the spelling of labor is LABOUR. In American English, the spelling of labor is LABOR. Third is traveler. TRAVELLER. Its spelling in British English TRAVELER is the spelling of traveler in American English. Fourth is counselor. COUNSELLOR. Its spelling in British English COUNSELOR is the spelling of counselor in American English. Fifth is center. CENTRE is the spelling of center in British English. CENTER, center, is the spelling of the center in American English. Theta is the sixth word. THEATRE is its spelling in British English. THEATER is the spelling of theta in American English. Seventh is organize. ORGANISE is the spelling of organize in British English, and ORGANIZE is the spelling of organize in American English. Eighth is realize. Realize is the spelling of realize in British English. Realize is the spelling of realize in American English. Ninth is defense. Defence is its spelling in British English. Defense is the spelling of defense in American English. Last is offense. Offence is the spelling of offense in British English. Offense is the spelling of offense in the American English. So, this is the end of today's lecture and the chapter number 6 of prose portion. Inshallah, tomorrow we will take up a next chapter which is from prose portion. Till then, stay home, stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.